Welcome to GearWings.com YouTube channel. In this video we see assembling of single sprayers. Required parts. The package includes single sprayers 4 units, sprayer plates 4 units, Next, stepwise assembling. Step 1. Place sprayer plates under the motor. Step 2. Now place the single sprayer. First single sprayer. Second single sprayer. Third single sprayer. Fourth single sprayer. Step 3. Connect the XT60 connector in PDB. Step 4. Now connect other pin to FC. Step 5. Insert wire through frame as showing here. And insert rubber to that wire. Last and final step. Close the frame hole with that rubber. Assembling completed. Gear up with GearWings.com. Visit our website, and for more such videos subscribe, like and comment. Thanks for watching.